Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about two very popular community platforms, and that is Mighty Network and the Circle. Now, many creators, coaches and businesses want to build online communities where people can connect, share ideas and learn together. But the question is, which platform is a better option for you to building a strong online community? That's what we will explore this video. Before we start, I just want to remind you one thing quickly. In the description, I put the links where you can check the latest details, pricing and special deals for both Mighty Network and the Circle. So if you are thinking about starting your own community, do check the description after watching this. Now let's start with Mighty Network. Mighty Networks is a platform where you can create not only a community but also online courses, paid members and events. One thing I like is that it is very visual. So you can have a space, post and categories. People can post articles, photos, videos and even ask questions. Another great feature is the membership. You can charge people for joining or for premium content. This is very good if you want to make money from your community. Mighty Network also has a mobile app, so members can easily connect from their phones. Now let's talk about the Circle. Circle is also a community platform and it is very clean and modern. It focuses on simplicity and speed, so you can create spaces, threads and topics easily. Circle integrates with many tools like Zapier, Stripe and Notion. This makes it very easy to connect your community with other tools you use. Now Circle also supports membership and paid subscription, but it is often easier to use for the small team and the creators. And the interface is very smooth and simple, so new members do not feel confused. So which one is better for you? Well, it depends on your goals. If you want a powerful platform with courses, events and membership, you might go with the Mighty Network. But if you want a simple and clean community which is fast and easy for members to use, you can go with the Circle. And many people choose based on whether they want more feature or more simplicity. Now in short, Mighty Network is best for creators who want to grow and monetize. Circle is a better option for clean, modern and simple community building. Both are great, but it depends on what you need. So that was the video for today. Remember to check the description below this video for official link and updated feature and the best deal, because this will help you to make the right choice for your community. Now thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.